Hey, thanks again for watching the video. My name is Greg Aganowski, and I appreciate you tuning in every week, every month. If you're thinking about doing this business, give us a call now. There's no better time to start this business. Right now, with the holidays coming up, we're running a promotion which is going to help you save thousands of dollars on the startup side of your business. Of course, our Kickstarter is still included in this package, but we've been doing this a long time. There's a lot of information we can share with you that would help you get a good understanding of this business. We are a company who's gone out, procured our own municipalities, works with solid waste companies. We can teach you all that. Give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. Make it a great day.